Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the wheels and tires on the Tesla Model Y Performance. We're going on a ski trip this weekend, headed to Mammoth Mountain, and Model Y Performance comes with summer tires. They're not designed for the snow, so I really don't want to take it up into a mountain on tires that was not designed for it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these out and swap it in with a set of all-season tires. And so let's do it. So these are some of the tools we'll be using to change the tires. At the very least, you will need a jack. This is a heavy-duty, low-profile jack. It's designed to go under sports cars, so it'll definitely go under our Tesla. And you also need either a tire iron or what I recommend, a breaker bar. Yeah, a breaker bar is just basically a socket wrench with a much longer handle, so you can loosen the lug nut. The tire iron offers different size of lug nuts because, well, lug nuts are not universal size. So they got anywhere from 17, 18, 19, 21 millimeter. If you're using a breaker bar, you got to make sure you get the exact lug nut socket. The last ingredients, you'll need a torque wrench. The wheels are designed to be torqued down to a specific setting, and without a torque wrench, you can't do it. So you will need a torque wrench to do it. Otherwise, you're taking a guess, and do not take a guess on torquing down a wheel. And so you need one of these. If you ever go to a tire shop and they don't use a torque wrench to torque down your wheel, go somewhere else. All right. And just to make my job a little easier, I also got an impact wrench. Yeah. This is another option that you might consider when jacking up your Tesla. It's a jacking puck. And what this does is this goes into the jacking point on the Tesla, and it provides a nice rubber base for the jack to push up on. You don't need it, but this will protect the underside of the Tesla from any scratches or damages. So something to consider. And they're pretty cheap, like a set of four pucks for all four corners of the car costs less than $20. So if you're changing tires often, rotating them out, well, it's worth buying. The first step is to remove this cap that covers up the lug nut. There is a hole right here that allows you to put an Allen key into it and then just pull it out and it'll pop right out, like that. Now we're just going to use a breaker bar. We're going to loosen up the nut. Easy. When you have the proper tools, it is super easy. Right now you just want to loosen the nut. There's no need to actually remove it yet. And while you're loosening the nut, you should do it before you jack up the car, because if you do it when the car is jacked up, you're just going to spin the wheel. Okay, so now I'm going to put the jacking puck onto the underside of the car. As you can see it, there's just a corresponding hole that where it plugs into. So perfect, and that's my jacking point. Position it under the jacking puck and lift. Normally, I would put a jack stand under the car, but I only do that when I'm going to go under the car. Yeah, but since it's not going under the car, taking the wheels off, I don't bother with the jack stand. And here you go, first wheels off. Now it's time to adjust the torque wrench. The torque specs according to Tesla is 129 pounds. So we're just gonna turn the knob here until we get to 100 and just under 130. Yeah. Okay. Once it's set, we're gonna torque it down. You don't want to go too fast on torque wrench. Just slowly get there. And once it hits this 130 pounds of torque, see, it will loose. There you go. Yeah, 130 pounds. There you go. Done. The 19-inch Gemini wheel comes with these aero caps that you could put onto it, and it smooths the airflow going over the wheel to give you better range. But you know, the wheel itself actually looks pretty good. And if you want to run it like this, Tesla does sell a kit that will help you finish off these the lug nuts, and they also give another cap for the center that looks like this one. If I don't want to run it, I will remove that, and then I just plug that on. But if I do want to run it, I would plug on the optional center cap and these little lug nut caps. So they go in there. Yeah, you just plug right in, and they give the wheels and tire a nice finished look. There you go. Now we just need to do the same thing to the other 3 wheels, and then our tire change is complete. Yes, a 19-inch Gemini wheel does fit a Tesla Model Y Performance, even though it has bigger brakes. Don't let anyone tell you it doesn't. I think for this side, I'm gonna put on the aero caps. So I can decide which one I like better. So driver's side, I'm gonna run with the aero caps, and the passenger side, I'm gonna run with the bare Gemini wheels with the mod kit. So putting it on is pretty simple. There's a little notch here that lines up with the tire valve. So you just line it up with the tire valve and then just bang it in. And there you go. Gemini wheels with aero caps. All right, the last step you need to do is we need to go to a Tesla and we need to fire up the control panel, and we need to go to service, and then from here we need to go to wheel configuration right here, and we need to tell the Tesla what wheels we're running. Right now its standard is 21-inch Uberturbine, but we are going to the 19-inch Gemini wheel. That tells the Tesla that we're running 19-inch wheels, so it will use that information to recalculate our range. And look at that. The picture of the car is now uploaded with the 19-inch Gemini wheels in the photo. Cool. Okay, so here we have the Tesla Model Y Performance with 19-inch Gemini wheels and all-season tires. Yeah, it looks okay. The wheels are significantly lighter than the 21-inch Uberturbine wheels, so I will get a better range. Tesla says that I should be able to go an extra 30 miles on these wheels, which is better than a 10% improvement. So Yay, that's great. So on this side, the driver's side, I decided putting the aero hubcaps that should increase range by another 1 or 2%. And on the other side, I decided to leave the hubcaps off just to see how it looks. So why don't you guys help me decide? So here we have the passenger side, and I just have the Gemini wheels on there without the aero caps. And honestly, right now, I think it actually looks better because the wheels exposes the red brake calipers, and also I think they'll be easier to clean as well. Yeah, it'll be easier getting between the spokes to clean the inside barrel. So there we go. So this is the non-aero cap. Other side got the aero caps. Which side do you think I should go with? Okay, so this is how you change the wheels and tires on a Tesla Model Y Performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, like and share it. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. It does help me a lot. I'll see you guys in Mammoth Mountain.